Hi, welcome back to Cake Sky. Today I'll be making a fruit bowl. Okay, this is all we'll be needing. A bowl of water, some blueberries, a persimmon, and a banana. So, I usually don't eat the blueberries cold. They're right out of the freezer. So I'm gonna keep it in some water and kind of like rinse them. Okay, now I'm getting the blueberries into the bowl. I'm trying not to smush them, but I'm getting them into the bowl. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it here near the sink so that if any water spills, it'll just go in the sink. Trying not to squeeze them. Okay, so I'm letting out the water. Making sure I don't drop any blueberries. I'm gonna keep the blueberries back in the refrigerator. Now I'm gonna start peeling the banana. Now we'll need a plate for the bananas. I'm gonna use a butter knife to cut the banana. Okay, now I need to wash the persimmon. Okay, now my mom is helping me cutting the persimmon. Now she's gonna use a little knife blade or something to cut the persimmon. I got my persimmons, my bananas, and my blueberries. Now we'll need to get a bigger bowl to finish the fruit salad. I'm going to mix the persimmons with the bananas and the blueberries in the plate. I changed my mind about the big bowl. Okay, I'm mixing. Blueberries out of the bowl. Now I'm getting the honey. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna add the honey. I don't want to keep it in only one place. I want to go around the place. You can add as much honey as you want. Okay. Now it's time to taste, and it tasted delicious.